The average American household has over $8,000 in credit card debt. Let's face it, ladies, your finances need therapy. I'm personal finance expert Manisha Thakur, and this is Therapy for Your Pocketbook. Today I'm seeing Susie. She's young, she's single, she's got a great job. But let's take a look at her financials. Okay, Susie's income is $70,000 a year. That's great. But her net worth is negative $25,000, and her credit score is 550. Her last purchase? A Marc Jacobs double pocket tote bag in black.
And espresso, they were both on sale.
We need to talk about this. Your credit score is 550. I want you to understand how significant that is. So let me give you the numbers.
Okay.
A perfect credit score is 850. The national median is 720. Your credit score, not so good.
Like rehab bad? Like Tom Sizemore bad?
Not quite. Let's take a look at how you got there. That's the first step in understanding how to get out. I'm just gonna read this list and I want you to listen. Clothes, $440. Food and beverage, $120. Electrolysis, $890. And shoes, $180.
Okay, but I got those on sale.
Just because you get a good deal doesn't mean that you can afford them. You have a spending problem.
I know, I'm a terrible person.
No, you're not a terrible person. This is a straightforward problem. There's a simple solution. All you need to do is stop buying things.
Okay, and who do I pay to get rid of this bad credit score?
This isn't a problem that you can spend your way out of. So here's my prescription for you. First, pay your bills on time. Late payments affect your credit score. Next, keep your oldest credit card and get rid of the others. Finally, pay down your revolving balances. That will drive 80% of your credit score.
Oh, so then I'll probably go up to $700 per credit score thing in like a couple of months?
Your credit score will definitely rise over time if you have good habits.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, I totally owe you a present.
Don't buy me anything.
I'm gonna get you something tiny.
Stop shopping.
Do you like bath crystals?
Nothing.